here with Rebecca Hendren, who you won something in an age group, but you did something more important than that. You won a turkey.
Yes, I did. I won a turkey. After 21 years of running the Big Bird race, I won a turkey.
Your first turkey.
My first turkey.
We also have here, who's finally off the hook, the race director, Tony Lipinski. And you had a great day. It was threatening all weekend that it was going to rain, and it didn't. What do you think about that?
Well, it didn't rain, but it did get kind of breezy, so I think that kept a few runners away this morning. But we had a great event. I think we had almost 800 runners today, so it was a nice event. A lot of people like entering the Big Bird Run because it is a pretty fast course, but the win today, I'm sure they didn't get their personal times in.
Now, Rebecca, you've been here for 21 years. What brings you back?
Oh, it's the people, of course. It's just the all around, turkeys that you get, the running event, the people that are out there. It's just an awesome race to run. It's so well organized. There's so many people involved, so many volunteers that are out there for this Big Bird Run. And every year I run it, the people are just great. I mean, they're always cheering you on. They're always encouraging you. I mean, it is just one great race, and this is one race I run every year. I make sure that I get the day off of work so I can run this race. It's awesome.
We have here the winner of the 10K at the Roseville Big Bird, Adrienne Dunt. Tell us about your race today. You were really cracking out there.
I was out kind of fast, and the wind was really like killing me. And I don't know, just like pull through the best you can for the last half.
Yeah, that wind was really something. When did it first affect you?
It was about the 4 mile.
About the overpass. Was that pretty windy?
Yeah, on the top.
What are some of the others that you've run?
Well, all across country and track races, and I've ran this one every year for the past 3 years.
And who do you run cross country for?
Stevenson High School.
Ah, you guys did really well this year. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And congratulations on your win today.
Thanks.
You're all with the 4-2 Falcon Speed cross country team. And where is that?
Sterling Heights, Michigan.
Sterling Heights. And how did you do this year?
We took first at leagues, and we all did really well.
You all did really well. If you take first, I guess so. Tell us about why you came back to run the Big Bird today.
We wanted to stay in shape over the winter and get better next year.
What do you think about the race today? Was it kind of windy?
Yeah, it was. It was really windy, but it was really fun.
All right. Well, congratulations. Thanks for talking with us. Joe Thornburg, you're 89 years old, and you ran the 10K today. Tell us what you thought.
I don't know what the score was, but I enjoyed it. I finished, and I didn't have to stop, so I felt good.
You felt good, and you're 89. Now, you know what? They set up some age group awards for people in your age group. That's kind of unusual, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I got one the other day, but I was so glad to get it. Even if I didn't win it, I was glad to get it.
Joe, our friend Maggie Zadar brought you into us, and Maggie, tell us about your race today.
My race was very difficult thanks to the wind. The hat went off and everything. I had hair in my eyes, hair in my mouth. Not so nice words coming out of my mouth, but it was an adventure.
It's a lot of fun finishing, though. One man passed me, and he finished ahead of me. I passed him first, but then he beat me at the end. He's a young guy. He's probably only 60-some or 70.
My favorite part was going back out to meet Joe. I was so happy to see him coming up on the overpass.
Was it kind of windy on the overpass, Joe?
Oh, it was windy and raining and storming and lightning was flashing, and I thought I was back in Dublin again. It's a pleasure to be here. I like this town and all, and they're so hospitable. You know, they're special.
Well,